इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल लर्निंग पोटिको को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए। Welcome, myself Rakesh Gupta. Today's our topic is parts of speech. As we know, there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. If you will ask me what is parts of speech, then I will tell you, in English grammar, words are divided into 8 classes according to their use and also work in the sentences. For an example, if I will tell he is a good boy, then here he is a pronoun which shows some action and also tells about he that is a good boy. In this sentence, according to the parts of speech, some work is done and also pronoun is also used as well as verb and adjective which is good is used in the sentence. Let's see the different parts of speech with soft definition and example. First one is what? Noun. Noun is a word which shows person, place, things or animals. For an example, dog, garden, town, teacher, etc. These all are showing noun. For an example, in a sentence, dog plays in the garden. Here, dog is noun and shows the action that he plays in the garden. Dog plays in the garden. Same as in case of pronoun, it replaces the noun, which means pronoun is used in place of noun. For an example, he, I, it, me, she, this, that, those, etc. Suppose I write he is a good boy. Here he is pronoun, tells about the boy that he is good. In the third one, which is a verb, shows action, which means doing words are called verb. For example, run, go, have, invite, listen, walk, etc. Ram runs very fast. Here, runs shows the verb. It does an action. Same as adjective describes about the noun. Example is what? Angry, brave, little, old, smart, etc. Sohan is a brave boy. Here, brave is adjective because it describes the boy, Sohan. These were the 4 parts of speech. Next is adverb. Let's see. Adverb describes verb, adjective and another adverb. Example, badly, fully, quickly, almost, etc. Raju runs quickly. Here quickly is adverb which describes the verb which is run. So the sentence is in adverb, quickly showing the adverb. Next is preposition, shows relationship between two words in a sentence. For an example, above, before, from, in, near, of, since, etc. I am going to garden. Here to is also showing the preposition because it shows the relationship between garden and I. Therefore, it shows the preposition. Next is conjunction, which joins phrases, clauses, or sentences. For an example, and, or, but, so, after, before, etc. Saroj and Sohan goes to market. Here and is a conjunction because it shows the relationship between Saroj and Sohan. Next is interjection. It expresses strong feeling. For an example, aha, hey, oh, oops, ouch, etc. Alas, he is dead. Here, alas also tells about interjection because it shows the strong feeling of mind. These were the 8 parts of speech. In the next session, one by one, briefly I will explain all the 8 parts of speech with their brief definition and the parts of each parts of speech with example. Thank you. Like my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video.